Welcome to EnfinityCast, the podcast that decodes the technology shaping our future. Today, we're looking at an invisible yet profoundly influential force, human-computer interaction. It's the silent dialogue between you and every device you own. I'm your host, Elion Quanta, and I'm thrilled to be joined by my brilliant co-host, Lex Calder.
Happy to be here, Elion. It's a topic that's so fundamental. We're surrounded by it, but we often only notice it when it's bad, when an app is confusing or a website makes you want to, throw your laptop out the window.
Exactly. And that frustration is really the starting point for understanding why good design matters. HCI isn't just about making things look pretty. It's a deep analytical field where psychology and engineering and art intersect. It's about designing for the human brain first and the machine second.
Absolutely. One of the core principles designers contend with is cognitive load. You can think of your brain's active memory as a very small table. If a user interface throws too many confusing icons, options, or bits of information onto that table at once, it gets cluttered. You become overwhelmed, and the experience feels difficult.
That's a perfect analogy. A well-designed app keeps that table tidy, presenting only what you need right when you need it. This ties into another classic design concept, affordances and signifiers.
Don Norman's famous principles. An affordance is what an object can do. A chair affords sitting. A knob affords turning. A signifier is the visual cue that suggests that action.
Precisely. In the physical world, a door handle clearly signifies pull. But online, when a button doesn't have a shadow or a border to make it look clickable, the signifier is weak. We're left tapping our screen wondering if it's broken. That tiny moment of confusion is a failure of design.
And so much of preventing that confusion is rooted in psychology. Take feedback, for instance. When you press a key on your phone's keyboard and you get a tiny click sound or a subtle vibration, that's not just for fun. That's the system confirming, message received, I did what you asked. It builds trust and reduces the user's anxiety.
It's a micro-conversation. The same is true for something as simple as color. Designers use our built-in psychological associations, green for success, red for an error, blue for a hyperlink, to communicate with us instantly, without us even having to consciously process it.
Ultimately, it all comes down to empathy. A great UX designer is an empathetic designer. They're constantly trying to step into the user's shoes and ask, what is their goal? What might be confusing here? How can I make their path to success as smooth and effortless as possible?
It's about making the technology disappear. When HCI is at its peak, you don't notice the interface at all. You just accomplish your task, and the technology feels like a natural extension of your own mind. It's an invisible art form.
A complex and beautiful one, and it's constantly evolving as our relationship with technology deepens.
A perfect thought to end on. We've only just scratched the surface of human-computer interaction. Lex, thank you for the brilliant insights.
Anytime, Elion.
Join us next time on EnfinityCast as we explore the promises and perils of AI-driven creativity. Until then, stay curious.